Hello everyone, today I'm going to be talking about pound yen and my trading setup, so let's begin guys. So pound yen has been doing very good in the last few months. You can see that it's made a very strong bottom on the monthly and it's pulling up pretty high and making some good indications that it wants to get away from these bottoms, like this hammer-ish thing right here. And this is pretty good. So if you guys bought down here or been buying periodically, you've been benefiting from the daily interest rate or daily interest that you can get from a pound yen. All you gotta do is check out the specialization rates over here, and you can see that if you hold a positive long, that you've been doing pretty good over the last few months. Now, when it comes to getting into this crypto, and since we're all long term, for me, what I've been mainly doing is entering in on the weekly, like getting a good bottom, and then enter on a small lot size and keep on stacking my entries and hitting small target profits, locking in my trade, small target profits, locking in that trade, and just keep on going. So, because I think that the goal price is going to be here, and that's why we're going to be up here. It's going to take a long time to get to the 100s and 180s, and if it hits 180s, it's going to be a really good trade, and hopefully we hit it by next year. And all the specialization, basically if you check the specialization rate, you see that we're going to be doing pretty good. Now we might have some big pullbacks. I think that it would be small lot size, large stop losses, and catch the swing and periodically enter in. So like once a week, once a month, just to get that trend up higher. So that's what I think about pound yen. Now I think I think most currencies that are trading against the pound are going to be either long dollar, long pound, anything that's going to be basically short the yen. Now, if any thoughts about this trading setup, guys, what I think is going to be happening, like short term, maybe 170, take a target profit there, lock in that trade, and keep on going. But long term, I think it's going to be 185 or 180s. If you have any thoughts about that, guys, please drop a comments below. This is long term, but long term trade like this is a good thing to set up, be patient, and not get knocked out of that trade. All right, but guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.